Welcome to the PXI Nanovolt Meter bundle overview. If you care about reading from multiple instruments, automating your measurements, or software-defined functionality, this is for you. We're going to walk through what comes in the box when you order this bundle, and then we'll see what it looks like taking your first measurement with the no-code data acquisition software FlexLogger. This bundle is based on a 5-slot PXIe 1083 chassis, which you can connect to and control from your laptop through a Thunderbolt cable, which is also included. The bundle also includes a PXI Nanovolt Meter, which is a flexible, high-resolution analog input module with up to 28 bits of resolution depending on the sample rate. The Nanovolt Meter gives you access to 8 simultaneously sampled differential channels at up to 2 megasamples per second per channel, or 32 single-ended multiplexed analog input channels at 100 kilosamples per second per channel. This module features onboard signal averaging and filtering, auto-zero measurement switching, and a chopping mode which uses a pair of channels to provide high level of noise rejection, enabling accurate and repeatable nanovolt measurements. Thus the name. With this bundle, you get a high-performance analog input module in a PXI chassis, but you also get 4 empty slots to later introduce other instruments like scopes, DMMs, signal generators, or more. The PXI backplane makes it easier to synchronize these instruments by sharing timing and trigger signals. The bundle will also include an I/O terminal block, and depending on the part number selected, a power cord to power on your system. You have different software options to choose from with this bundle. You can skip programming and interactively configure and record your measurements with FlexLogger. If you'd like to programmatically automate your measurements, you can do that by buying LabVIEW or by using one of our API drivers for other languages like Python, C, C#, etc. Alternatively, program or don't based on your task with a Test Workflow bundle. Test Workflow bundle includes LabVIEW, FlexLogger, and other software that can help you build automated test systems, build web applications to access your test remotely, as well as visualize and analyze your data interactively. So let's take a quick look at how we can interactively take measurements with FlexLogger. Okay, so now I have FlexLogger open on my screen, and I have a simulated nanovolt meter, so I'm not actually connected to it. But on the channel specification tab, you can see all of the channels that you can configure. So let's start by configuring one of them. So the analog input 0 channel, all you do is double click from the drop-down menu. I'm going to select a basic voltage configuration. And here we're already seeing the measurements, the input on this tiny little screen. And done. We have an analog input channel configured. Now if we want to log this data, save it, we can first start with the logging specification tab. You can select where you want your file to be, your TDMS file to be. Once you've set your configuration, you move on to the screen tab. And here, I'm going to visualize this in a graph form. So I'm going to add a graph. It'll automatically show you the options that you can add. We've only configured the one channel, so I'm going to select this. And here we go. We're already seeing the input. Now, all we need to do to start logging is click Run. So it's running, and now it's data logging. All of this data is being saved to the file. Once you're done, you press Stop, and now you've logged your data. So if you're looking for a high-channel, high-resolution analog input module, but also need to automate or take repeated or multi-instrument measurements, the Nanovolt Meter bundle is a good place to get started. Click the link below to check out the bundle prices and learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!